1, 1, 1, 2. All right. Yeah. All right. We spend the night together. Trade with me. All right. Trade with me. God damn it. Edit. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Everybody wants kung fu fighting. Everybody wants kung fu fighting. Or what? All right, everybody. How's everybody doing? Yo. Ooh, I'm a little bit cold. I'm gonna put on my hoodie. Oh. All right. So I'm looking for this particular setup to develop. We got that last sweep of the lows here. Should that be the last sweep of the lows, my market structure shifted here. I missed the first buy, which is fine. Here, I missed the first buy here. I had no setup, to be completely honest, on that one. Now there's two gaps. Here's the first one. First imbalance, right? And we have a second imbalance here. Now, always the question is, which imbalance are you going to play? Well, I'm always play the imbalance closest to the order block that created the break of the structure, right? And I'm going to show you the break of the structure right now. Here's the break of the structure. This is the market structure shift, right? Yes, this is the aggressive entry long, but right now I'm looking for the less aggressive entry long right here after the break of the structure, which was caused by, oh boy, hold on. I have so much allergies. If you expect DXY to go up, why are you going longs on GBPUSD? I know. I said it was counterintuitive, but right now this is the setup made. I don't know. I'm expecting GBP. I'm expecting the DXY to go up. But if you notice on the top left of my screen, this is the London session on the London session on the DXY, London session on GBP/USD. Now we're getting that pullback. Again, same thing here. So the correlation between the DXY and GBP/USD is not perfect, but yes, I understand what you're saying. Now, if we get the pullback here on the DXY starts to rally, then I most definitely won't get triggered. I most definitely will get triggered and will close at break even or so. It's all about, monitoring your trades, mate. But if it doesn't make sense to you, don't take it, Williams. John, just don't take it. Now, here's that nice setup. Now, I know there's no liquidity being formed here other than this, right? But the setup is there. So that's my setup on the GBP/USD. Now, I'm not going to place this Euro US dollar long, short, guys. I'm not going to do that. I will, however, most definitely look for shorts on, well, not really look for shorts. Where's the US30? Over here. Not really looking for shorts on the US30 per se, but I'm waiting for the open just to see volume, right? This is quite choppy on all U.S. equities, you know, markets. And in fact, let me show you what I see here. What I see here. Now we got that liquidation of the Asian session highs. Why? Which points out at a possible, bearish move. Here we got the break of the structure twice. So yes, the short move was confirmed. Here we have a big ass OB, right? That was invalidated. Now this was invalidated. So everything that I just said, was invalidated. Now we have a possible situation where market structure has shifted to the upside. But again, we need some confluence. And again, on the 50-minute chart here, we have a big, 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 big gap on the S&P 500. Right here, we have a big gap on the S&P 500 to the upside. We also have an inverted fair value gap here. Now, this is quite good oh boy. I have a bee problem in my house, and there's two bees inside right now. I hope they don't sting me because I'm super allergic. But hey, ABOB, what's up, Jaro? Hey, if you want to chat with me, just subscribe to the channel, mates. It's free. Just hit the subscribe button. Now, I was telling you, we have that big ass imbalance on, bullish imbalance, and we have that inverted fair value gap inverted imbalance, at the same level. Now, beautiful targets would be up the way up here. Also, we have liquidity here, if you notice. We have liquidity here. So there's a couple of targets that I would want to see get hit. Possibly, let's calculate the risk to reward ratio on this. Now, I don't like to place orders pre-market, just because of volume, right? Volatility. Now, this is a 3.2 R with, it's a 4.5 R with very, very tight stop losses. Will be a 2.25 R with, stop losses below the structure low. 2.5 R, 2.45 R below the structure low. Very possibly we'll be placing this trade right now. Structure low. Fuck it. Right here, the structure low. So, a couple of confluences here on what I'm talking about. Structure low. Here it is. Now, a couple of confluences would be, again, the imbalance here. Now, we have an imbalance, and we have an inverted imbalance. I don't have, you know what? IFVG. We have an IFVG and an imbalance. So here we have a confluence of, and we have a breaker block. Again, we have a ton of confluences here for our possible entry. So you still got the GBP order? Yes, I still have the GBP order made. I still have the GBP order. Don't you worry. Don't you worry about now. I'm gonna place this S&P 500, guys. I'm gonna place this S&P 500. Gonna create the video right now, for my VIPs. All right. So hold on. Hey guys, how are you? So I know that I said I wanted to go look for shorts on U.S. equities, but again, the thing is that first of all, I'm gonna go through that. We got the liquidation of the Asian session highs, right? And then a true break of the structure with the Asian session lows, signaling a possible short-term bearish move, but everything got invalidated after price broke again with the daily highs, creating new daily highs, right? So right now I'm looking at this possible setup for the for longs before the open. On the S&P 500, very quickly we'll say that we got this big imbalance after the surge of buyers here at this OB, right? Also, we got an IFVG here, inverted fair value gap, and a bearish fair value gap that was invalidated with the move to the upside. Right now, on this exact level, we have a couple of very good synergy or confluences, which is why I'm going to look for this and ultimately look for these highs, all-time highs, I believe. Yeah, as targets, right? That's my setup. Good afternoon. Hey, Orlando. Buenas tardes. ¿Qué tal? Aquí todo de maravilla, madre. Manabella. Todo tranquilo, mi hermano. So SPX 500 will be placing this at, so I was looking at the what? This is the 50-minute chart. Oh shit, I was looking at the 50-minute chart. So I'm going to go lower. I was looking at the 50-minute chart. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to record the fucking video. Here is where I am going to go for that. We have the breaker here. Bam. All of that. No, all of that. Now here's the breaker. Now, I was looking at the 15-minute. Sorry, guys. So a better entry will be here. A 3.37R. We still have that IFVG here, guys. We still have that IFVG here. But I'm going to do this, the breaker, exactly. I'm going to re-record the video. Hello, team. How are you? I know that I was looking for US30 shorts, but again, or US equity short, but I'm going to explain to you why. After the liquidation of the Asian session highs, right, we got the London session breaking with the lows, Asian session lows, and again, breaking with the structure lows. So that was signaling a possible short-term bearish move in the S&P 500, but after, the invalidation of all the setups for this particular move and well, this is not a true break of the Asian or the daily highs, but this is liquidity being created at the daily highs. Now, this, my friends, signals again a very bullish momentum. So I am looking for longs after the last liquidation of the lows and the market structure shifting here. I'm looking for a possible entry at this imbalance. With the breaker block, with the stop losses below the structure low and targets, I am going to target all-time highs right here for a cool 3.37R. Now, the reason that I am entering here is because I do want to get triggered. Very possibly, we could in fact see price draw down on us a little bit, but that's fine because my stop losses are below the structure low. Now, that's the one. Now, 5-minute chart on the S&P 500. This is where I am going to take that trade. I don't know if there's risk calculator will work with the S&P 500. I don't know. 0.5. 0.5 risk. Buy limit. Shite. All right, buy limit, let me see. So the market just opened, guys. The market opened. The casino is open, farm. God damn it. The casino is open. So here's where I'm taking that trade, apparently. Yep. Stop losses there. And targeting all-time highs right here. 4R, guys. 4 fucking R. And, oh boy, it doesn't work on this toolbox. And the GBP USD, still holding that trade. Yeah, buy limit. So, no, on the SPX 500, it's, I don't know why this toolbox doesn't work with CFDs. That's sucks. 6.5. Here. I'm gonna send this to the VIPs, don't worry. Now, yeah. All right.
New York Community Bancorp shares climb 1% at the US Open as S&P futures up 0.2 and Nasdaq up 0.3.
All right. This is the trade, guys, that I have going on. ¿Qué pasó, señora? SPX 500. This is a buy limit.
Eli Lilly shares up 5.1% following their earnings announcement.
Buy limit. With my stop loss at what? At what? I don't remember. It was a what? Control V. So let me just send this, guys, because was a what? I don't remember the risk to reward ratio on this. Let me see. So it's a 4R. And risk is 0.5%. As always. As always. All right, cool beans. I'm going to send the video. Send. All right, any questions, guys? Any questions at all? I'm going to place, hold on, I need to place this trade on my real account, which I'm never going to show. Cool. So, new order. I'm going to do 15 lots. Just more risk. Just a second, guys, please. All right, so I did 15 lots on that account, but that's too little. I'm gonna do another 7 lots. Cool. All right, any questions? Good morning, James. How are you? Now we got the break of the structure. We got the break of the daily highs, the S&P 500 printing new daily highs. So this particular trade to the upside has a very high probability of success, guys. Now, pound USD, this is just liquidity being created. Now, we need that draw. Remember, we need that draw on liquidity for us to take that long on the pound US dollar. We need that draw on liquidity. Without draws on liquidity, my entry model does not work, right? Without any draws on liquidity, my entry model does not work. What the hell? Here. All right, so any questions, guys? I've been live for 19 minutes. We do not have any questions, guys? Any questions? Let's have a look at some other markets. Gold. Everybody loves the trade gold. Choppy as fuck. Nope. Sliver 2. Crude oil trade. Ethereum, horrible trade. BTC, horrible trade. CAD yen, GBP yen. There's absolutely nothing today, guys. Pretty much flat. These are mainly the two nice setups that I have now. There you go. Now, what is going to happen here, guys, is that we first of all we got right here. We got breakout traders trapped, right? Now, at the open, the price broke with the daily highs, creating new daily highs, trapping breakout traders long. They're going to hold their stop losses. Also, we are going to get trapped. We are going, or the price is not we, price is going to trap short players right here with stop losses over there. So we're going to get a double whammy. This is what I call a double whammy. Stop loss hunt here, stop loss hunt there, right? That's what we want. That's what we want. That is what we want. Now, let's see if it plays out. I'm gonna be right back. Voy a buscar el kayak. All right. So, any questions at all, guys? No questions. No questions. All right. If you don't have any questions, I am going to log out. I am going to log out. All right, if you don't have any questions, guys, I'm really going to log out. There's nothing going on in the markets right now at the moment. Yeah, I don't trade crude oil, mate. I do not trade crude oil. All right, I'm going to log out. There's nothing really going on in the markets. Everything is flat. Everything is flat. So there's no need for me to be here. If I don't think I'm gonna come back live. If I see something, I'll just post it on the VIP group. All right. Cheers.